What is up, dogs? Another video here from earlier last week on Friday and Saturday as well. Two quick little pheasant hunts, one before work and another one the next day. So enjoy.
Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Drop. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, fuck.
He looks big.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
For sure. No.
Do you think that's been around for a couple weeks?
Nah, probably just
normal stock?
Yeah, normal stock. Come on, Bonnie. Come on. Definitely a running bird. Probably right in front of her. Ready? Yep. Keep moving up.
Okay.
Oh, woodcock.
Get him.
Oh, mother.
Good girl.
Okay, Bonnie. Good girl.
To the left, to the right.
To the right. Yep, there's a nice clearing right there. I'll go right in front of her. Know when you're ready. Okay, Bonnie. Very birdie. Woodcock.
Get him.
Right?
We can get him.
We could. Look at all these geese. Okay, Bonnie. Good girl.
You want to get back or no?
Well, that's got to be a pheasant.
I'm going to circle around your left.
No, just keep going up.
Okay.
Keep going up. And just go right in front of her. I'd say go to your right. Yep.
Oh, there it is. Right here.
Got it? Took it. Oh. You hit it the first shot. I don't even know how I hit that thing, to be honest.
Oh, she missed it. Oh, we got it. Yeah, you 100% hit on the first shot, too. 100%. Oh, yeah. Is she? Oh, boy. Yeah, great job. You 100% hit it. I just didn't want that fucker getting away.
Of course not.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Here, hold on. Just stay still.
Of course.
Good girl. Well done. Good girl. Drop. Drop. Oh, nice bird.
Whoa, nice color.
Here we go.
Nice rooster.
Oh, yeah. Here you go.
Thank you, bud.
Yep.
Let's see. How do I?
I can get it in there for you if you want.
Probably can't even fucking reach the damn hole.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
This is what the $500 is for.
Yeah. Joe, I just got to move in a little bit more. Woodcock. Dead bird. Yep. Good girl. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. That's it. Good girl. Drop. Drop, drop, drop. Nope. Nope. I'll come show you a picture, Joe. Let's just give her a quick second just to nose it. Sure. Oh, there we go. She got it.
Good.
Or she will have it. She smells it. Dead bird. Dead bird, Bonnie. Dead bird. There it is. There it is.
Wow.
Good girl.
Fucking thing's huge.
Big one. Good girl.
Good girl, Bonnie.
Stop. No. Nice. That is a big bird.
Wow.
That is a big bird. Let me toss that in your vest.
Okay.
All right, Joe, this might just be me. Whoa. Dead bird.
Nice, Andy.
Dead bird. Oh, another one.
Too far away.
Did you get a mark on it?
I did not. I saw her leaping at.
Oh, she's on point again.
All right, I'm going.
Yep, walk in front of her. There it is. Dead bird. Great shot, Joe. Great shot. Oh, no one. You got it? Yeah. Good. Fantastic. All right. Yep. Did she find one of them?
No, I marked here and here.
All right, we'll just let her do her job.
Copy.
So I should have one over here as well. Dead bird, Bonnie. Find him. Here. Come on, dead bird. Hey, I'll have her get this one. Just stay right.
Yeah, I'm not moving, dude.
Dead bird. Dead bird. Okay, Bonnie, dead bird. Oh. I don't know if that couldn't have been the same bird. There's no way. Go girl, bring it here. Dead bird, okay, yep. Good girl, bring it here. Good girl, bring it here. Hip, hip. Bonnie, here. Hip. Good girl, drop. All right, there's one. We're missing some birds. Dead bird, Bonnie. Unless that's my... Come on, Bonnie, dead bird. Try to help you out. Come on, dead bird. Find it. Dead bird. Oh my God. Wait a second. No, I don't know. Dead bird, Bonnie. Come on, find it. Dead bird. So the first bird that I shot, dead bird. Come on, Bonnie, find it. Find it, Bonnie. Come on, dead bird. Oh, there it is. Yeah, big one. Nice bird. All right, Joe, fantastic. So this is your second woodcock because you shot that one first. All right, so now we just got to find that one. Then we got a boogie.
Yeah, I know it. It's getting late. So this one marked right up into the, right before this little like horseshoe bend of a tree.
Here, I'll toss this one in. Nice, dude.
That's awesome. Thanks, Andrew.
Yeah. All right.
Come on, my good bird. Over here. Up. It didn't go far. I think we're flying in this tree right now.
Bonnie, over here. Come on. Oh. Bonnie, come here. Oh, she's pointing another bird, I think. Oh boy. Take it because you got one more bird. I'll look. There's your bird.
Where?
It's right there.
Oh, nice.
All right, got it.
Thank you, Andrew.
Yep. All right, wonderful.
front of us.
Yeah. Okay, Bonnie, find it. Feel free to shoot it though if it goes your side. Oh, there it is. No. Whoa. Yep, you do it. You do the walk. But there it is right there in front of her. Don't do that, Joe. It's not. It's a pheasant. It's a hen pheasant.
It's a hen. To its right. To your right, Bonnie. Behind you, babe.
Bonnie, over here. I lost sight of it.
It's right in front of you.
You see it?
No, I don't see it, but it ran. Right
Okay, Bonnie, find it.
It's a hen.
Oh, let her find it.
Oh, yeah.
I saw it.
I did too. It ran away. It didn't.
No, that's
hop the
typical.
ladder.
That's typical.
They're hard to get up.
Yeah. Just get ready. She might put it up.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Unless it's, you know.
Powering for its place.
I don't know how I lost sight of it, but. Oh, there we go.
They're so agile. My God.
Yeah, I don't know how it got over there so fast, but.
Right?
Yep, there we go.
Okay, good girl.
Okay, Bonnie, find it.
Get it.
Just had to wait for it to get by the cars. I don't think that's the same bird.
I don't know either. But
Come here, Bonnie. Up. Good girl. Drop. Good girl. And drop it.
good girl, Bonnie.
Good
Nice
girl.
shot.
Yeah, I don't think that was the same bird.
I don't think so. I can't imagine that bird got over here that fast without us seeing it.
No, right?
I think there's still another hen over here.
Yeah. Well, she'll find it. Okay, Bonnie. Find it.
Oh, it's a hen right here.
Okay, you ready? Ready?
Right in front of you, bud.
Yeah, I see it. Take it. Dead bird, come on. Dead bird. Good girl. Good girl, bring it here. Good girl. That's it. Good girl. Drop.
Okay.
Drop. Nice. There we go. Oh, all right. Nicely done, Joe.
Thank you, Andrew.
Sorry, I'm touching your leg. There. Okay, bye, dead bird. Come on, bring it here, up. Let's go over here, up. Good girl, bring it here, up. Yeah, up. Come on, Bonnie, over here. Bonnie, come on, up. Here. Yep, good girl. Bring it here, come on. Good girl. Drop, 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 drop. Ah. Heel.
What's up, dogs? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Pretty good hunt. Seems like the woodcock flights are coming in, which is always good. So that's it for me. See you guys soon.